Exploring the Four Corners, Understanding Cardinal Directions. Hello everyone, and welcome to another exciting lesson on conversational English. Today, we're going to focus on cardinal directions: north, south, east, and west. This is a key aspect of understanding and giving directions, so let's dive right in. Cardinal directions are the four main points of a compass: north, N, south, S, east, E, and west, W. They are used universally to indicate directions. For example, if you're facing the rising sun, you're looking towards the east. Conversely, if you're facing the setting sun, you're looking towards the west. Let's understand these directions more clearly. Imagine you're standing in the center of a circle. To your right is east, to your left is west, in front of you is north, and behind you is south. An easy way to remember this is by using the acronym NEWS, where N stands for north, E for east, W for west, and S for south. It's not enough to just know these directions. It's equally important to know how to use them while conversing in English. Here are some examples. North. Keep heading north until you reach the library. South. The supermarket is to the south of the park. East. If you drive east for a few miles, you'll find the restaurant. West. My house is west of the city center. In everyday life, cardinal directions are especially useful when you are navigating or giving directions. They are also important in understanding weather patterns, geography, and even history. So next time when you are reading a map, giving directions to a friend, or learning about a new place, remember the importance of cardinal directions. And that's it for today's lesson on cardinal directions. We hope this lesson has been helpful in not only increasing your vocabulary but also improving your ability to give and receive directions more effectively. Remember, the key to mastering English is consistent practice, so try using these new terms in your everyday conversations. We'll meet again in our next lesson. Happy learning, everyone!